From the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update on the Tuckahoe Little League renovation project. And we introduce our first mobile newsroom outing. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, July 18th, 2024. It's brought to you today by Pain Free RVA.
And now for the news.
But despite a number of setbacks, Henrico's Tuckahoe Little League complex renovation project is still in the works, although with some changes. After a bond referendum, including $16 million for the project, was approved by voters back in 2016, Henrico created a plan to improve a number of aspects at the complex, like revamping the fields, creating a new main entrance, building new restrooms and batting cages, and much more. The project initially was set to be finished by sometime this summer, but instead the project has yet to get underway. The main issue was deciding how to fund it. Henrico County purchased the 65-acre complex from Tuckahoe Sports Incorporated in 2007 for $6.5 million, and the agreement included a clause that guaranteed exclusive use of the fields to Tuckahoe Little League and TSI during the Little League season. TSI continues to own more than 2 acres within the complex on which its indoor training center sits. But the money that had been allocated for the renovation project was from a general obligation bond, which requires that funding be used for public amenities. Since TSI and the Tuckahoe Little League still have exclusive rights to the fields during the Little League season, the project doesn't fall under that category, meaning that bond referendum funding could not be used to complete it. County Attorney Andrew Newby said he advised county officials to find a different source of funding for the project, so they allocated the money that had been earmarked for the project to other public amenity projects like improvements to Glover Park and others throughout the county. That means the county has had to allocate other money to fund the cost of the newly designed project, about $7 million in total. Because of the budget cuts, there are now no plans to create a new entrance to the complex from John Rolfe Parkway. It will remain off Copperas Lane where it has been. You can read much more about the project right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. The first day of school in Henrico County is 1 month and 1 day from today, and in anticipation, Henrico Schools will host its Back to School Kickoff event August 9th at the Henrico Sports and Events Center. The event will feature a variety of activities for families, including the return of the 3-on-3 Hoop It Up basketball tournament, which will be free for all students, a pep rally style celebration, a school and community resource fair, a kids zone area, and also an immunization clinic. The basketball tournament, which is for students in grades 3 through 12, will begin at 8 a.m. and continue through 7 p.m. in various divisions. The pep rally will take place at about 12:30. The school and community resource fair will be open from noon to 4, and the kids zone from noon to 5:30. Food and beverages will be available for purchase throughout the day. And if you have education topics on your mind that you'd like to discuss, our education reporter and Report for America Corps member Leanna Hardy will spend all day on Monday, July 22nd, at the Fairfield Area Library at 1401 North Laburnum Avenue. It's part of our new mobile newsroom initiative. She'll be in the library's large conference room located in the lobby just past the circulation area and across from the restrooms and vending machines from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., ready to chat with community members about any education topics of interest. We invite you to stop by to visit her if you have questions or concerns or ideas for future education coverage, or if you just like to say hello. We are planning additional mobile newsroom events in the coming months as a way to engage better with community members. The Great Aspirations Scholarship Program, or GRASP, is hosting workshops in the coming weeks to help students complete their financial aid applications. The workshops will help students with everything from filling out the free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA, form to how to find federal financial aid opportunities. The workshops will be held at the Short Pump Capital One Cafe at the Short Pump Town Center, 11,800 West Broad Street, and also the Carytown Capital One Cafe, 2933 West Cary Street, on Saturday, July 20th and Saturday, August 31st from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. each day. The events are free. To register, you can visit our website, look for this article, and follow the link. Earlier this week, U.S. Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan of the 4th District presented a check for $1.66 million to the YWCA of Richmond to help the organization's Transforming Lives After Surviving Domestic Violence project build at least 40 new homes and offer 24/7 services to survivors of domestic violence. Studies show that domestic violence citations are the number 3 reason that tenants are evicted, according to McClellan. The YWCA program is designed to help address that issue and provide survivors with comprehensive wraparound services, including residential housing, programming, and other resources. Is pain and uninvited house guests disrupting your life? It's time to call Pain-Free RVA and Dr. Joseph Capri. Dr. Capri offers the best blend of chiropractic, massage, and physical therapy focused on each patient's specific needs to help provide long-lasting relief. In fact, he boasts an 88% success rate in getting patients out of pain and back to their lives in just 3 visits. Text Dr. Capri at 804-596-5232 or visit painfreerva.com. If you're in pain, get it to go away at Pain-Free RVA.